At the end of December 2006, the municipality of Ljubljana connected Ljubljana Castle with the Old Town centre via a funicular railway. The lower funicular station is located in Krek Square opposite Ljubljana Central Market. The railway tracks were built just outside the medieval walls, so as not to interfere with the layout of the former medieval city. The modern and unobtrusively designed funicular, which complements the traditional cultural identity of Ljubljana Castle, is popular with both domestic and foreign visitors. By August 2022, over 5 million passengers had used the funicular. It's an exciting experience with which to begin your visit to the castle. Ljubljana Castle began to gain its present form in the 15th century, during the reign of Frederick III of Habsburg. As an important strategic stronghold, it successfully protected the region from enemies